The search bar, located in the top right corner of your map, allows you to search permits, parcels, addresses, roads, and other places within the county quickly without using any of the other search tools. For addresses and roads, the more specific that you are, the less results you'll get. So if you're not exactly sure on what you're looking for, it's best to leave off street types and street directions. When you're ready, hit enter, and any results will appear in the left side panel. You can see a list of results with these numbers in parentheses, and this is just the number of results that each item has. So there are 9 roads that match Kimberly in Denton County and 28 parcels that match Kimberly. To see a list of results for each layer, you can just click here and you'll see a list of parcels. Each parcel, as you hover over it, will show up on the map. Now all of these are grouped together and we're zoomed out pretty far, so if we're not quite sure if this is the parcel that we want, we can click on it and it'll zoom directly to that parcel. You can see more information about it. You can even visit the DCAD site. And you can zoom out to kind of get a better idea of where you are. And if you decide this isn't exactly the area that you're looking for, you can click this X to go back to the rest of the parcel results. And you can see, as you hover over, each one's highlighted in blue. Now say you don't want to look at parcels, you can go back with this arrow to the whole search and visit roads or visit the geocoder. Now the geocoder is going to look at any item in the county that matches somewhat close to Kimberly Drive. So you'll see we've also got Wimberley because it's just one letter off. Now if you click on a result for the geocoder, you'll see the address and then a score. So this is a 98 score, which means it's really high because we search Kimberly and this is Kimberly Drive. Now the lower the score, the worse the match. So if we click on Wimberley Way, it's only an 89 because it matches everything except for that first letter. Now, you can also search for development permits. So you just type in the permit that you want to look at and hit enter. And sometimes, if you've been searching, it'll default to show you the geocoder. And because there's no address or road that matches that, it's just giving us the results of Denton and Denton County. So if you see geocoder up at the top here, and you're not looking for geocoder results, you'll want to click this arrow to go back to all results. And we'll see that we do have a matching development permit, which is what we wanted.